In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and delete Trello lists and cards. Trello is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing tasks and projects, but sometimes you need to clean up your boards by archiving or deleting items you no longer need. Let's dive into the process. First things first, open up Trello in your web browser. Once you're there, log into your account using your preferred method. You can log in using your email and password, or if it's more convenient, with a service like Google or Microsoft if you've linked your account. After logging in, navigate to the Trello board where you'd like to archive or delete cards or lists. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct board to avoid archiving the wrong information. Once you're on your board, focus on the menu of the card you want to archive. Click on the specific card you have in mind to bring up its details. Next, look for the pencil icon located at the top right corner of the card. Clicking on this icon will allow you to access more options related to that card. Among these options, select Archive. Archiving removes the card from your board, but don't worry, you can always retrieve it if needed. Now, if it's an entire list you'd like to archive, the process is similar. Go to the list you wish to archive and click on the ellipsis, which appears as 3 dots at the top right corner of that list. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Archive this list. This action will make the list disappear from your active board view. If at any point you need to review your archived items, simply navigate to the board's menu and click on the ellipsis there. You'll see an option to access archived items. This section allows you to switch between viewing either archived lists or cards. It's a convenient way to keep track of everything you've archived in case you need to restore something later. When you're sure you want to delete a card or a list permanently, first access your archived items as mentioned earlier. You'll find a trash bin icon on the right side of each item. Click on this icon for the card or list you want to delete. Before you proceed, ensure that you're absolutely sure about deleting the item, as this action cannot be undone. Once you're confident, select Delete. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to archive and delete cards and lists in Trello. Remember, archiving is a great way to declutter while keeping the option to undo, whereas deleting is permanent. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it optimizes your Trello experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips.